In this video I'm going to be building a load bin cover or tonneau cover, if that's how you say the word, for old Crackpot here. Coming up. Hey, how's it, Oaks, and welcome back. And a special welcome to the new subscribers. Really happy to have you guys on board. I trust we will have a long and interesting journey together. So I'm still on the back end of Crackpot. The majority of my fabrication on the load bin is finished. But I thought while I'm here, I would like a load bed cover, or tonneau cover is the word I see people use. I don't know if I say that correctly. So so I'd like to turn or use Crackpot as a daily driver. And you know, I don't want to haul heavy cargo, but if I do pick up stuff, I'd like to be able to lock it away. So let's get into it. First one I made, so I'm using this one as a template or a master to shape the others. So I clamp it in place on top of that one, and then I know that they are all the same. Just for the record then, these, shall we call them beams, are made from 30 by 3 angle bar. In American that would be about 1.25 inches by 1/8. In hindsight, you can probably use smaller than this. I'm sure a 25mm angle bar would be fine, but this is what I had. The rectangular pieces I'm using here, that's 19 by 38, which is, what is 19 by 38? 3/4 by 1.5 inches. Yes, it started raining again. I'm going to have to go look for a sweater. The cold's also coming in. So I've got all my cross beams, or whatever you want to call them, tacked in place. I've stuck some bolts up there that are actually going to act as hinge points. So the only thing left to do now is to see if it's going to work. Ta-da! There we go. Lekker. I think I need some gas shocks. That would be awesome. I wonder where the hell I would find some of those. I'm gonna have to look. Cold front just blew in. It's windy, it's raining, and I'm cold. Hey, look! I've got a shiny visitor. So it is an Austin 1948, I think. I'm talking under correction. Chevy V8 motor, Jaguar XJ6 independent front suspension and rear suspension. So yeah, it's been modified quite a bit. Belongs to my buddy Gil. He's just brought it here. I'm helping him out with a few things. Yeah, it doesn't really go with what I normally do, does it? Yeah, so I'm concerned about water getting into this box tubing through the holes that I've drilled for the rivets. And yeah, once the water's in there, it'll never come out. It's going to slosh around, cause rust. So I'm going to run a bead of polyurethane just to help seal it up. So that's where I am so far. So you're probably wondering what the hell is going on here, what am I going to do? Yeah, I was thinking about what to use as a cover across this frame here. I was toying with the idea of plywood, sheet metal, aluminium, which is expensive, and all the rest of it. And then when I was visiting my favorite junkyard to look for some bits and pieces, I always stop there, can't help myself. I saw something lying there that I thought could work here, given the character of old Crackpot. Let me show you what I found. Yep, that's what I saw. 4 of these road signs, nice thick material. And this grey sheet metal that I've got up there, it's something that they make signs with, was also lying there. So yeah, given what rat rods is all about, my definition, gotta build it out of junk. So some of you will probably think I've lost the plot. But you know what? The older you get, the less you care. And I'm getting quite old now. So let's see what this is going to turn out like. And there we have it. A load bed cover with a chevron stripe. Aerodynamic. So three options. You can say I like it, like me. You can say yeah, I like the idea, but I don't like the chevron stripes, and we can paint it. Or you can say I don't like it at all. 2 bolts and it's gone. Take your pick and let me know in the comments. And here's the bird's eye view. The camera is on top of the truck's cab. So no handles. How are we going to open it? Well, I did think of that. So what I've got is two handles in my pocket. One goes on here. Another one goes this side, obviously. And now these guys act as locks as well. There you go. So I think I said earlier I still would like to install some of those sort of gas shocks, canopy shocks, what do you call them, to keep it up. Or we can just do a simple flip out thing, we'll see. It's a little heavy, but it's not a truck for weak oaks. And we can do with a bit of weight on the ass here. So we can make the call, I can leave the handles on, but if I take them off, then it won't be so easy to open it. Kind of acts like a lock. And it looks a bit cleaner, I think. So yeah, I think I'll just throw the handles in the cubbyhole. Let me show you how the locks work, very simple. So it's just a simple handle with a lever down here and a slot that I've got here in the side. So if you turn the handle, it comes out and back in. So I've got nuts to adjust it. The little lever here is tapped and threaded on. I can add a locking nut down here still if I want to. I might cut this a little bit shorter so that the handle is flush with this nut. So very basic, very simple, but it works well. So you don't have to lift the cover to open the tailgate. So that can be quite handy, you just leave it as it is. Sharps don't sit in there. There you go. I think I might have to come up with a way to lock the tailgate in place so that the whole compartment is lockable. We'll see about that. Hey, thanks for watching my carrying on out here in the forests of darkest Africa. Yeah. I'll catch you guys next time. Have a good one.